Welcome to BestusefulTips. Here I will show you how to backup and restore WhatsApp message on your Android devices. Open WhatsApp app, tap on three vertical dots, tap on settings, tap on chats. Scroll down here you can see chat backup, tap on chat backup. Here you can see backup option to backup your data. Also you can change setting backup. Tap on backup to Google Drive. Here you can choose only when I tap backup, daily, weekly, monthly, you want backup on your WhatsApp. Also choose Google account you want to select backup over Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi or cellular. Also enable include your WhatsApp video to backup in your device. It's quite easy to restore WhatsApp messages on your Android devices. After set setting, tap on backup to backup your WhatsApp data on your Android device. That's it. Please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to get latest tips.